I can't.
Playtime!
What is this going on?
It's playtime!
It's playtime. I can't with you. Guys, this is not necessary. Nobody can live like this. Even the dog is like, I don't want to do it. Help me. Here's your sausage. My feet are going to be full of snow. Okay. This is not necessary. Here, give me one of those. Okay.
Ready?
Huh? You ready? I brought Joseph. Don't have an accident. Guys, help us. So Joe just got home. He picked me up. He wants to go play in the snow. This is Joe's version of playing in the snow. Look at it, it's still coming down. No! Joe. Oh no, danger.
He just went through my light.
Oh, he's the sanitation department. They can do what they want.
Here we go. Big plow, ready?
So, sorry guys, but I don't, oh my God, don't get stuck. I don't have my tripod on with the gimbal thing because it was, battery was dying. I used it all afternoon for a live. So we'll have to fix this.
Let's check out Broadway.
Okay. We're gonna check out Broadway. This is, don't have an accident. It's very slick out. Look at the roads are not clear. This is not good. Look at, she's just gonna walk in the street. That's like dangerous, lady. Walk on the sidewalk. So we're just taking a drive down Broadway. All of the businesses are closed because of the snow emergency. At least it seems that way. Even Trader Joe's. Oh, I don't know what they're doing. Where are you going, dude? Bye-bye. You're done. I would stay in the car, dude. You got mad? Goodbye. He just left the car. Maybe it was a ride home.
Maybe.
There's like nobody out. Oh my goodness, they're dumping snow over there. You see that, people? This is, I hate the snow.
You could really get your car stuck on that.
No kidding. Road crews will be working overtime. Oh my gosh, this person's running in front of a car. It's a cop. The cop is running in front of the car. Stop it. Sir. Oh, he's security guard. Security guard, sir, you're going to get in an accident. And we're coming up on Columbus Circle. There's Central Park. And we're currently on Central Park South. This Port Dorman. We're gonna go down 7th. You can't even see across the other side. That's so crazy. It's so... Oh, watch out the buses. The buses are coming. Oh my gosh. I'm getting nervous. You can't even see Times Square. That's insane. You barely can see it over there. The blizzard is so bad. It's It's been snowing all day. It started snowing last night around 8 o'clock? Probably about 8 p.m. and it hasn't stopped. Look at these people are so sick. It's so windy, people. So windy. And then in front of us, you can see way over there. There's Times Square.
Oh, it's different colors.
It changes colors, Joe. And everybody, you guys can see the ball. It's way right there. Oh, it's a little blue ball. Oh, it's okay. If all the work crews out.
The camera crew.
They can be honking. You just gotta be careful of everybody on the bike. This is the way to go see it. We just drive around. We don't have to walk in this. That's too dangerous. I don't want to fall down.
Safety first.
Safety first. We'll be in the car. At least I have a giant car around me to protect myself. But this is what Joe likes to do. He likes to come out when it's snowing like this, and it's like him against the snowstorm in his Jeep. It's like fun times.
Good times.
He loves it. He loves it. I will say that right now downtown, we're by Times Square, is not so awful because they actually have really plowed the streets. The only problem is you have bikes that are still going, and it's a little bumpy because I don't have my tripod thing, and it's because of the snow. And then you also have pedestrians that are walking in the street because the sidewalks may not have been plowed.
There's the pole.
So, and there's Macy's. Bumpity. Oh, Taco Bell is closed, but McDonald's is open. Oh no, stop. Red light. Yeah, we'll be coming upon Bryant Park. And those are all the little shops there for the holidays. Actually, I think they're closed now. I don't know when they go till. Waffles and Things is closed at the moment. Oh no. Look, they're all gonna cross in front of us now. As they trek across the snow. Umbrellas. I can't. Look at the puppy! The puppy is like, I can't. This is cold.
Yeah. It is cold.
He just wants to go home.
Oh, he's got shoes on though.
He's got his little puppy paw shoes on.
Yes.
Good
His
job.
shoes on.
Good job, owner.
He's
And you guys can see Radio City Music Hall up there on the right.
He's got his Krispy Kreme.
He's got his Krispy Kreme.
Where's
He's
that
hurrying
at?
home. He's got his coffee and
Where's the
Krispy Kreme.
Where's that at?
I love that he's got a tray for 1 cup of coffee.
It's funny.
But I guess that could be easier to hold. Maybe. I don't know.
I didn't know Krispy Kreme was open.
Well, they're probably one of the few things. He's probably like one of the few places he's like, well, that's it. I'm just having donuts.
Donuts. Sounds delicious.
You can't have any donuts. No donuts for you. Look, there's Radio City Music Hall. What we're going to see is if
I don't think they're here.
they're
They're not
open.
there.
Are they
There's
not out
one
there?
here that's not the right one.
No, that's the wrong one. It's over here.
It's up here.
They're not
Yeah, it's the
open.
next one's 53.
Yeah,
Right
is it
there.
53rd?
Oh, wait. There's something there. But they're not open.
Nope. Even the halal guys are not open. Oh no.
Oh, no.
Oh no. Oh, we'll have to do a drive-by of our other halal guys by us in the Upper West Side. Look at the bike still going. And the delivery people. Oh my gosh, Jess, they're probably going to the hill.
Unicorn sled.
And a slice of pizza. You could be like the rat, the pizza rat.
That's cool. Yeah. Central Park has great sledding hills.
Great sledding hills. He totally spilled.
totally did.
I can't, sir. Sir, are you okay? You got he's underneath it. He's underneath his unicorn. Unicorn down. I don't know. People like to walk in the street. I don't understand that. Like the sidewalks, I know are not perfectly clear, but still, I would rather walk on the sidewalk than walk in the street. For crying out loud. That's dangerous.
Crying out loud.
You crazy. Oh, watch the car. Oh, look at these people up here. They're
Oh,
stuck.
he just lost his load.
Oh, he lost
The
everything.
halal guy just lost his load.
Oh no, I think halal is closed. Are they open?
I think they're open.
Oh my god, they are open. Are they open?
We're gonna park
I
right
can't
here.
tell if they're open. I don't see them cooking. They're not open.
They're not cooking?
No, there's nobody working. Nope, no halal.
Here.
No halal. No halal for us. They're not open. They were moving their food. I don't know what they were doing, but there was nobody in there cooking. They weren't open. There were no lights on by the grill.
Sad.
It's a sad day. Look at joking.
I got a tear. I got a tear right there.
He's got a couple of tears.
I wipe him out.
He's
Can't see
sad
very-
boy.
Can't see very well. I needed my halal package.
He didn't get his halal today. I was ready to hop out.
She
Slap my
was.
mask on. Go get him his halal. Not gonna happen. Now we're gonna head home. Guess what? I have to cook dinner now.
You can always go to my side.
And that would be what? What would I be getting there?
I don't know.
They don't have halal. They don't have any good food. Maybe I go on Seamless.
Metro.
Maybe Metro Diner. We'll have to do a drive-by, see Metro Diner's open. Then they can deliver it. Because I don't want to have to go get it
If they're open.
if they're open. But we'll know ahead of time. We have to give them our business. All right. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell thingy so you don't miss anything new. See you around.